To enable and use Samsung Voice Typing for your Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open an app or screen where you can type something with your Samsung keyboard. As the example, while we are using Google Search. Next, tap the setting icon at the top of the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap Voice Input and then select Samsung Voice Input. Next, tap the back key twice to go back to the screen where you can type with your keyboard. You can see that your phone is now displaying a mic icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. You can tap the mic icon to start using Samsung Voice Input to type your voice. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.